Landscape changes. The impacts of climate change on a global scale. It is no secret that climate change has had an extreme impact on the health of our planet. This presentation will discuss different ways that climate change has impacted the planet on both a global and regional scale. Global scale example 1, rapid permafrost thaw. Permafrost is a layer of soil that remains frozen throughout the year. The constant warming of our planet has caused these permafrosts to thaw, which has been shown to have incredibly negative effects. Places like Alaska, Canada, and Russia have been seeing and feeling these effects. Many homes in these places are built on top of permafrost, and when the permafrosts melt, the ground begins to collapse due to the excess water. People have been forced to move out of their homes due to them sinking into the ground. The thawing of permafrost also has a significant impact of the environment. When the permafrost thaws, it releases microbes that eat organic matter, which allows methane and carbon dioxide to escape from the soil and enter the atmosphere. Right now, scientists have dubbed permafrost thawing a wild card. This is because they are not 100% sure if permafrost thawing will have a disastrous or very little impacts on the environment. Global scale example 2, intense wildfires. It seems that every year, wildfires are occurring more frequently around the world. Currently, the eastern parts of Canada are experiencing extreme wildfires. These wildfires are so bad that the smoke traveled all the way down to my state of Connecticut and severely impacted the air quality. Wildfires destroy everything in its path, whether it be trees, houses, or animals. One of the worst effects of wildfires is soil erosion. Soil erosion occurs when the roots of trees and plants lose their stabilization. Soil that has become unstable can lead to mudslides, flooding, and land degradation. Damaged soil no longer has the ability to sequester carbon dioxide, meaning more is being released into the atmosphere. Regional scale example 1, hurricanes. When looking at hurricanes in the United States, you would look mainly at the east and south coasts. As the temperatures of the oceans warm, the winds of the hurricanes will become more intense, making landfall a much more dangerous situation. In a warmer climate, hurricanes will carry more water vapor, which means as our planet continues to get warmer, more serious flooding from hurricanes will occur. The beginning and end of hurricane season may also be impacted by climate change. The change in hurricane season would most likely be the season starting earlier and ending later, which will give more time for hurricanes to occur. Regional scale example 2, polar regions. The warming of our planet has caused the ice sheets in the polar regions to melt quite rapidly. It is predicted that there will be no ice in the summertime in the polar regions by the middle of the 21st century. This has a significant impact on the sea levels and the animals who rely on ice. As the ice sheets melt, fresh water is being poured into the ocean, which will cause the sea levels to rise. When it comes to animals, seals and polar bears are two animals who heavily rely on ice sheets. In order to protect themselves from predators such as killer whales, seals will find sanctuary on the ice sheets. Without these ice sheets, there is no protection from predators, which could mean a drastic decrease in seal populations. Sea ice is the habitat for polar bears. With the ice sheets melting around them, polar bears are using more energy to find remaining ice and risk starving to death.